Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create an SMS template using the staff portal. It's simple. First, head to the navigation menu and click on Communications. A drop-down will appear, then select SMS from there. Click the SMS Template tab. Next, click the Create Template button. Choose the right module from Platform Modules drop-down. This helps define what the SMS is about. For example, scheduling. Then, pick from the Module Actions drop-down. This is where you specify the exact purpose of the SMS, like a reminder about a rescheduled lesson. In the right SMS template field, type out your message. Use the codes provided to add details like names or dates that will update automatically when the SMS is sent. Here's how to use the codes to automate updating information. If you want this template to be used every time the selected action is triggered, just check the default box. Once your template is complete, click the Save button to store it for future use. And that's it! You've successfully created an SMS template. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.